Where's gate 30?
Yes. Touch the start button and say air start. Please start to move.
Get
You want
directions.
to have a service.
Start. Start.
I'll start the guidance now.
Oh,
You can follow me.
Let's go.
I will stop guiding you if you move too far away from me. Be careful. Be careful. Are you on the right?
Yes.
Keep straight with me, please. We are near the destination.
Start. There's some better directions there, Star.
Are you on the right?
Yes.
Keep straight with me, please. Be careful. Follow me carefully. Be careful. Are you on the way?
Yes, I'm
Keep
with you.
straight. Follow me carefully.
차 어디니 괜찮아.
Are you on the way?
Yes, I'm
Keep
here.
staying with me, please. We're getting close. Be careful not to collide with me. Are you on the way?
Yes, I'm
Keep
here.
staying with me, please.
안내 말씀드리겠습니다. 이재유님께서는 25번 탑승으로 공항 안내데스크로 와주시기 바랍니다.
Are you on the way?
Yes, I'm here.
Keep staying with me, please. Right? I am sorry. I can't do it at last. Thank you. Have a pleasant trip to your final destination. 안녕하세요.